Hello and welcome to my new video. I hope you're all doing well. Today I want to make a geode style tumbler. I've seen this so many times here on YouTube, and I wanted to do one myself because I like that kind of stuff. And if this sounds good, just watch me do it. So the first thing I did was prepping my tumbler with 80 grit sanding paper, and I wiped it off with 99% alcohol. Um, yeah, and now I'm taking my pen and like drawing some lines where I want the geode to be, and yeah, if you can make no straight lines, this is not necessary in this project because geodes are always uneven, and if you're not making any straight lines, then it will look much more natural. So if you have a shaky hand, don't worry about it this time. And this is what it looks like now. I'm taking Mod Podge. This is not the original. This is a mixture that I made myself. And if you are interested, I will post the recipe. Just leave me a comment and I will try to get it done as soon as possible. So now I'm painting my inner design really richly with the Mod Podge, and this is where I put my glitter down in. So the glitter that I'm using first is like chunky glitter, but it's like in little stripes, as you can see here. And yeah, it doesn't have really any color. So after I shook the rest of it off, I took my finger, it's sadly off camera here, but I took my finger and pressed it down onto the Mod Podge so it will stick much better. And after that, I took like fine glitter and put it on the same spots just to fill up the gaps that the chunky glitter left behind. So for the next color, I had to apply the Mod Podge again, and I applied only like where I got my next line in between those, and I looked to it that that the glue butted up really to the glitter line of the last one. For my next color, I painted only half of the pieces that I want to make with this dark purple glitter because I don't want to have the glitter all over the place. So when you do the other side, you have to see that you tilt it the other way, otherwise you will have the dark glitter onto the white glitter, and you don't want that. You can let it dry in between, but you be there for hours doing this. And here you can see how I tilt my tumbler the other way around. I will speed up the video for time's sake, but I wanted to show you how color after color will pop on there. After I put the glitter on, I let it dry thoroughly for 24 hours, and here I have some acrylic paint. And ever since I don't like the white spots on that tumbler, I will paint with this color the rest of the tumbler where I don't have any glitter, because I think this suits my eye better. I didn't like to see the brush strokes at the end, and this is why I took this little sponge thing and dabbed it onto the color that I put on there, just to give it an even look. After my first layer of epoxy was cured, I cleaned it up really good. with isopropyl alcohol just to make it fat free, because I want to put some lines on top of those geode parts. I have this white permanent marker, and as you can see, you hardly can see anything. That's why I didn't really use it in this project. But with the black one and the gold one, it worked good. So I take my pen and run it on the border in between the white and the purple glitter, and that makes kind of a vein, like more definite definition of those separate colors. And in real life, the geodes have some growth lines just like that. If you like my video, just leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment below. I would love that. It doesn't cost anything, and you would help me a great deal with that. So I appreciate that, and thank you in advance. At the end, I made outside of the glitter piece some lines and veins, and on the real geodes it's just like that. They have veins like right on the rim of it, and this is what I'm trying to imitate there. This is what it looks like now, and it looks a little bit dull because I sanded it before I put the colors on, after I had the resin cured. Now all that's left to do is put 2 or 3 coats of epoxy on there, and then our tumbler is ready.